So now that we have our DXFs exported, we can open up Adobe Illustrator. And we'll start to import the DXFs. In Illustrator, we'll create a new palette. The size of the Zing laser is 12 inches by 24 inches. And we'll use the landscape format. We'll create. Control-Alt-0 will zoom out to the full screen. And then we can come up to File and use the Place tool. And I'll start selecting the components. If I just click once, it brings it into a 1:1 scale. If you accidentally mess with the scale, you can do Control-Z to get it back. And I'll just continue to place these components. And so right now is a good time to modify the line thickness. So I'll zoom in on all of them. And for the Zing laser to interpret these lines as a cut path, it needs a very specific line thickness value. It's 0.001. So I'll update them all at the same time. And now I'll start organizing this onto my cut sheet. I want to minimize how much waste there is, so I will try and get everything as tight as I can. And I can move these by hand by grabbing them, or I can use the transform tool up here. So the transform tool tells me that the part size is 7 by 3.4, and it's located at 0.9 by 0.6 in the X and Y directions from this upper corner. So for the Zing, I want to be about 1/4 inch off of the edge. So I will put those values in. And it looks like this part is kind of the next biggest part. So I'll be also 1/4 inch off. And that last part was 7 inches, so I could be 7.5. We'll just drag this one over here. Will be 1/4 inch off the edge. And if I select it and do Control-C, Control-V, I can make a copy. Place this guy. And I can just continue going this way. You can be pretty close, but we'll give ourselves a little bit of slack here. So that's all of our parts. We can also we can import pictures or designs to throw onto here, or we can just print it the way it is. So to print, actually we'll stop at this point, and in the next video, I'll bring in a design and go to print.